May tayo.
Uy! Uy! Ito lang talaga yung natira, buntot.
Alloy quá.
Masarap.
Alloy quá.
When you start eating, it's like you cannot stop.
ใช่
You don't want to stop na. Kasi ang sarap.
อะไรคะเนี่ย
ปลาทังก้าเหรอ
ข้าวโมจินไข่ค่ะพี่
เท่าไหร่
ร้อยเดียวจ้ะโห100
Ay, mga kaumami, may pasalubong pang asawa ko sa akin. Galing po sila ng probinsya. Ayan, buhay na grasshopper. So, ganito nila ibinebenta. Ito po yung fried grasshopper dito sa Thailand. At ito ay hinuhuli nila sa mga bukid-bukid. Ayan. So, ito daw po yung masarap na klase dahil ito daw yung parang itlugan kung tawagin. So, kinaumagahan, ito na po sila mga kaumami at it's time to prito-prito. So, tatanggalan po natin ng pakpak at yung mga paa po ay hindi na kailangan tanggalin. So, ganun po sila mag-prepare. Hindi na nila tinatanggal ang mga paa. First time akong gumawa nito mga kaumami, yung magtatanggal ng pakpak ng grasshopper. Kanina natatakot pa ako nung gumagalaw-galaw pa sila.
May tayo.
Uy! Uy! Gumagalaw pa. Mahilig lang ako kumain, pero first time ko pong mag-prepare. Kasi yung ibang kinakain po namin ng mga fried insect ay mga frozen na namin nabibili. At kukuha po tayo ng pandan, mga kaumami. Ito yung magsisilbing pampabango sa ating lulutuin. Mayroon na po tayong napainit na kawali at lalagyan ng mantika. Deep fried po yan, kaya dadamihan natin. So, mainit na po ang ating mantika at ilalagay na natin. Sasabayan po natin ang pandan. Masyadong malakas yata ang ating apoy. So, hihintayin na lang po natin kung crispy. Dahil crispy fry ang ating ginagawa. Pag kumrispy na yung pandan, ay pwede na rin yung ating grasshopper. Yan. Ang bango mga kaumami. At lalong nagpabango yung ating pandan leaves. So ulitin ko lang po, ganyan sila magprito kasama ang mga paa. Yung pakpak lang yung tinanggal natin kasi magkakalat siya sa ating mantika. Hindi na po namin inorasan, tatansyahin lang po natin ang pagkakaluto. So kailangan crispy fry po siya. Katulad ng mga ibinibenta sa mga street foods. So testingin po natin kung crispy na. Ay mo hindi pa daddy. Not yet. Not yet crispy. Yeah. Malalaki po kasi kaya medyo matatagalan tayong magpa-crispy fry. Ang bango mga kaumami. So ayan, malapit na pong kumrispy yung ating pandan. Yun po yung palatandaan natin na crispy na rin yung ating grasshopper. It looks good than the ones we buy from frozen market. Looks better.
Market maybe 1 week, 2 weeks already.
Baka frozen na po ang mga iyon ng 1 week or 2 weeks. Pati po sa mga market, sa mga street food, kapag nagbibenta po sila ng mga ganitong fried insect, ay super dry na po nila. Hindi mo na malasahan yung mga laman sa loob. Yun yung nagpapasarap, yung creamy sa loob ng mga insect. Lalong-lalo na yung silkworm na naipakita ko na rin po sa inyo at yung crickets. Ayan kaumami, crispy na ang ating grasshopper. Sasalin na natin sa ating strainer para madrain ang mga oil at lalagyan po natin iyan ng mga seasoning para lalong sumarap. At yung mga ganitong pagkain po ay hindi na nila pinapaanghang. May mga pagkain din po sila na hindi pinapaanghang naman. Hindi lahat. Ayan. At titimplahan po natin. So we have pamintang durog. Wala tayong kutsara. At Maggi sauce. Meron din pong seasoning na inilalagay para malasa. Pati panghalo, wala tayong na-prepare. Ang bango. Let's go, let's eat. So, subukan natin ang ating crispy fried grasshopper. At subukan na po natin ang crispy fried grasshopper. Sabay tayo, Daddy. Let's do it together.
Hi.
Well, parang first. Hi. Ngayon lang nag-hi. Ears. Ting. At tatanggalin po natin ang mga paa.
remove หัวมันจะมีขี้อยู่
We need to remove the
นี่
head.
remove head แล้วก็ดึงออกมาอย่างเงี้ยมันจะมีขี้ติดมาเนี่ย
Oh, okay.
ขี้ยาวๆเนี่ย
So why when we eat in the street food, we don't remove that?
depend on people นะ some people ก็
Okay. Yung iba daw ay kinakain na lahat, yung iba naman ay tinatanggal.
for me I don't
Let's try
eat
it. Ito lang talaga yung natira, buntot.
อร่อยกว่า
Masarap.
อร่อยกว่าซื้อกินเยอะเลย
Mas masarap kaysa dun sa mga nabibili sa mga street food.
แต่ว่าฉันว่าตัวมันเล็กอ่ะ
Oh, la?
ถ้าตัวเล็กนี่ไม่ต้อง remove หัวเลยตัวเล็กกินได้หมดเลย
Pag maliliit daw, hindi na kailangan tanggalin kasi crispy-licious na. Naririnig niyo po ba ang
Pinay, no?
crispy? Yeah, I think
กินได้หมดเลยอร่อยไม่ขมด้วย
Plastic naman to. Kanina ayaw tanggal. Kanina gustong tanggalin. Ngayon pwede na daw. Okay.
No because when I was young the grasshopper bigger than this 3 times
Oh.
like this
Laki.
if we eat all มาไปอิด
Talaga? But
Yeah.
this one no mapait.
if small like this you can eat all no need to remove head
Okay. But the feet,
Alright.
I don't want to eat the feet. Matigas.
กินได้ฉันชอบ
No?
อร่อยมาก
Pati paa daw pwede.
อร่อยเนาะสด
Yeah.
Very
Pwede
fresh.
naman ang ulo, Daddy.
if you buy in market already flat
Yeah. When we buy in the market,
No
flat
more
na
meat.
flat na sila. They make overcook. Hindi ko po alam kung kinakain ito sa atin. I don't think they eat this in the Philippines.
เดี๋ยวนี้
But the camaro and silkworm, kinakain po dyan. Ararawan in Ilocano. Camaro or camaro. Ayun po yung kinakain sa atin na alam ko. Eating grasshopper, I just learned it here in Thailand. Masarap din pala. At katulad nga po ng nabanggit ko, they farm this like for eat, tiyama?
ใช่
Pina-farm na po nila, pinaparami para
good business นะ
kainin. Yeah, it's a good business dahil ang mahal po. How much is this?
only this 100 บาท
Sandaan na po. Kakaunti.
they sell egg ด้วย egg of grasshopper 1 กิโลกรัม1,000 นะ
Oh,
2 to 3,000 บาทเลยนะ
they use that egg to start a
Yeah,
farm.
to plant to start a farm yes
Ang mahal. Mag-farm tayo ng daddy, grasshopper. Mahal pala ang ganito. So, kailangan mo lang po siyang nguyain mabuti. You need to chew very well because matigas yung mga ulo-ulo niya.
ก็เราทอดกำลังดี
Yeah.
กรอบ
Tama lang, sakto lang po yung pagkakaprito natin. It's not overcooked and it's not makunat. Pati,
ขันเราก็กรอบแล้วนะเนี่ย
pati yung pandan pwede pong kainin. Na crispy fry din siya. Nice. Masarap. Sa mga kababayan po na nandito sa Thailand, kung hindi nyo pa natitikman ang mga ganito, sa mga street food, try nyo po. And people eating this because it has a lot of protein, syame.
ใช่
Not only for cravings. Hinahabol po talaga nila yung nutrients na nakukuha sa mga ito.
เพราะว่าตะกแตนอันเนี้ยเป็น enemy of the plant when they farm of rice ตะกแตน
yeah.
will eat your farm your
Enemy,
rice
enemy of
this one is
rice
enemy.
farm.
and they just cut it and eat it
Yeah. Tama naman.
ฟิลิปปินส์มีไหมเยอะ
I
ไหม
don't know, I'm not sure. But we played this when I was a kid. But we don't eat.
อร่อยนะ
Masarap. Pulutan, yeah.
ใช่
can make pollutant.
อืม
When you start eating, it's like you cannot stop.
ใช่
You don't want to stop na. Kasi ang sarap. You don't remove the feet.
Yes I can eat all
Gusto ko
Remove
maliliit. Takot ako baka matinikan ako. Ito po yung sa akin. Oh.
This crispy all
Yeah, crispy
Why
na
need
po
to
siya.
remove? No need
May ano kasi siya, lagari-lagari, nakakatakot. Sayang na, sila.
ไม่มันอร่อยด้วย
Masarap din daw.
ฟีดก็มีมีดเหมือนกันนะอินไซด์อ่ะ
Yeah, really? Like
ใช่ก็อร่อย
crab?
อร่อยเหมือนกัน
May meat din daw, like crab.
อร่อยเหมือนกัน
Mm.
นี่ไงขี้มันแคว
Masarap yung mga nilagay nating seasoning.
Hmm.
So, ayan mga kaumami, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video, pag-share naman. And ano po ang masasabi niyo sa ating kinain at niluto na, ano nga ito? Crispy fry grasshopper. Ayan. So, kita-kits po ulit bukas. Thank you for watching. Bye.
บาย
I want more.
กินหมด
Busin natin. I like the seasoning. So, masarap.
เหลือให้บิวตี้กินด้วย
Mm-hmm.